Hi, I'm Matthew Yamas, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 essentials for getting started with Schoology. First is creating categories in your gradebook. Second is copying those categories to your other courses to save you time. And third, I'm going to be showing you how to create an assignment in Schoology for your students. Let's get started. Number 1, I'm going to go to my courses. You can choose any course you'd like to start with. So I'm going to go to Grade Setup. And this is the very first thing you want to do when you're starting up with Schoology. And you're going to want to create a category. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to create a category. So just like your physical gradebook that you already have, you can do things like homework, classwork, projects, tests. You at least need one to start grading things. So go ahead and add a category, and I like to leave it as total points, and I'm going to drop lowest at 0 for now. So you can see I have these different categories here already that I've created: classwork, homework, projects, and you can create multiple categories. After you've created all the categories that you'd like, step number 2 is going to be to copy settings. Now, after you set up all of your categories, to save you time, you're going to want to click on Copy Settings. This is the number 2 essential thing you have to do. Is I'm going to uncheck rubrics and grade scales because I'm only copying categories, and then select courses. These are all your other periods or courses that you have that are going to require grading. I'm going to leave categories checked. I'm going to check all the different courses that I want to copy these settings to, so you don't have to go into every single period in class and do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and click Copy. All right, and now you have categories. Now you can start to do the third essential thing, which is to create an assignment. So to create an assignment, you're going to want to click on Materials here, and then go to Add Materials and add an assignment. Now, in the assignment feature, there are tons of different tools and things you can add for your students in the assignment, create assignment feature. There's these different word formattings that you can use that's similar to Word or Google Doc. Change the format of what you're writing. You can add a link from a website. You can add videos from a link or that maybe you have on your computer, or that you find on YouTube that you would paste here. Right, but for now, I'm just going to create an assignment. I'm going to let you explore the rest of this on your own. Let's see, let's create an assignment on biomes. Let's say watch and respond. Right, so that's the title. That's the name of my assignment. That is a requirement. As you can see, this asterisk means it's a requirement. I'm going to give some description, some instructions would go down here in this description box. I'm going to say watch video and respond. Okay, and I'm going to say I'll respond to question. Question 1 would be, what biome do you live in? And number 2 would be, what is your favorite biome? And you get the idea. You can add questions, instructions here for your students. There's other things you can add here. I'm going to explain that in other videos, and you can explore that on your own. I'm going to add a due date. This is not necessary, but I'm going to add one. You have points here. Leave it at 100 points, and then here's where the categories come to place. This is a requirement. As you can see, you have to have a category, or else it's going to be ungraded. You won't be able to get a grade for this assignment. So I'm going to mark this as classwork. And then the very last thing that I want to show you, a little extra bonus step to save time, it's going to be copy to courses. So all those other courses or periods that you may have, you don't have to make this assignment in each one over and over again. I'm going to click Copy to Courses, and you'll see all of your courses come up. I only have one other course. I'm going to go ahead and click that one, and now it's going to copy to that course. It's going to give me different settings here that I can change. I'm going to go ahead and mark the category the same as the previous one, as classwork. By default, it will show ungraded, but I'm going to change the category for that one, and you'll have to change your category for each of them. It's going to copy this assignment to each of those other courses. So that will save you time every time you create an assignment, and you may have other classes or periods that you need that same assignment for. And those are the three essential things to getting started with Schoology. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to creating more content for you soon. Take care.